Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm Kasie, usually Teacher Kasie, and I'm super excited because today I got my Belle Vitale in the mail, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. Super, super excited about that. So, what are your thoughts on it? All right, so today I am kicking off something brand new that I'm totally excited and a little nervous about. I'm starting the Belle Vitale program from BODi, and this video is going to be all about why I'm doing it, what comes in the kit, and how you can join me if you've been feeling like something is just kind of off, right? I'm going to get real with you for a second. For a while now, I've been feeling kind of tired, foggy, my weight's been going up and down and just kind of all over the place, right? So I've lost weight, and if I'm not like 100% on, then I'm gaining weight, and it's just kind of been no middle ground here. So after doing a little bit of research and talking to some others, I realized it could be hormone related. What do you think? Anybody else can relate to this? So if you felt moody, exhausted, maybe can't sleep or have trouble sleeping, have some brain fog, or gain weight seemingly overnight, you're not alone. Research has shown about almost 80% of women from their 20s to 60s are dealing with this, and that's exactly what Belle Vitale is designed to help with. It is a 12-week lifestyle program that combines nutrition, hormone-supporting supplements, strength and Pilates workouts, and guided breathing practices for stress. So it's not just about weight loss, it's about hormone health, energy, stress relief, and feeling like you again. I'll be honest, I am a little nervous for this one. This program is 3 months long, and each phase gently removes or reduces something from our diets while adding in supportive habits like the Belle Vitale supplements, better nutrition, more water. For those that may remember, in my classroom I had a water bar, and I'm super excited to bring that back though, because it made me drink more water. It was fun, many flavors, and everybody came to visit to make some water. Maybe we'll do a video on that, but the water bar is making a comeback, and there's guided stress relief. One thing I'm especially unsure about is intermittent fasting. I've never done it before. I know about it, lots of friends that have done it, and it feels a bit intimidating. But the great thing is we're easing into it on this program, phase by phase. So like phase 1, you start doing a few things. Phase 2, you start doing a few more. So it's really broken down for you to take baby steps. So it's gonna be one small shift at a time. So while part of me is nervous, a bigger part of me is excited, ready for a change, and I'm grateful that it doesn't have to happen all at once. I told you I just received my box, so I'm gonna show you what comes in the kit and do an unboxing for you. This is the box that it came in. I got the all-in-one set, and I also got the Shakeology to go through it, to go with it. I've been using Shakeology for years, so cookies and cream has always been my favorite Shakeology to use and to add different things in and to make my shakes with. But I've decided to go all in with this one that Autumn had recommended. This is the vegan chocolate Shakeology. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm very excited. I have not gone through this box yet, but of course I do know what comes in it because I ordered. So, all right, it's got a little flyer on the box. Okay, many of you know the portion control containers. If you have done the 21-day fix program, you have seen these before. I believe 80-day obsession, we use these as well. We'll use these in a brand new way to support hormone balance through each phase of the program. I did watch some videos before I purchased, and Autumn did say we're going to use these in the same way, but there are different foods on the lists now. So for this program, we're going to want to really check out our lists. This I thought was really cool. This is the Belle Vitale. It's like the guidebook, and it's really small, compact, but has a ton of information. Each phase is on here. I did not go through the phases. I wanted to make sure to do a little bit at a time and not overwhelm myself. I did like that it has the quick calculations again, for those that remember the 21-day fix, to see how many containers. Since I have lost weight, it has changed, and I am on a different set now. So So that's going to be all new for me. I don't know, do you want to know any of this stuff yet? Maybe I should just wait on some of this for another day, but it talks about what we're taking out completely during the first phase, what we're going to cut back on. One thing was red meat and the other one was caffeine. Coffee's gonna be a tough one for me. I'm not gonna lie. Some I'm excited for. One of the things to like get rid of was rancid oils and highly processed oils, refined sugars and flours. Just, it had quite a bit of good information. But like I said, I only read the beginning online. I did not dive into that book without you guys. So we'll take a deep dive into that book on another time. Okay, next is the supplements. There are two. There's the daily hormone and stress support and daily metabolism and blood sugar support. So this program was developed with doctors who have gone through, tested, approved. So I'll let you know. Now these are on a monthly subscription. So if you buy the package, just know that in a month you'll be charged for just this part again, okay? Just in case you didn't read the fine print. There's a little QR code to scan for more information. And then there's a set of directions. I'm gonna put the box to the side. This bag was in here, and this should have some more goodies in it. I gotta make some room on my desk. All kinds of goodies here. All right, so there's a Pilates straps and resistance bands. So what's in this bag is they wanted to do like a Pilates studio at home, okay? So there's a core ball and resistance band. It's great for stability, for strength, especially on your Pilates days. I think it's pretty cool. It's like 30 pounds and I don't know what the resistance bands are all, but I can't wait to open them up and go through them. This is the Beline's Resistance Bands Control Track. So this helps mimic the studio Pilates at home. You attach it to your door or to a wall and use it for resistance training and control-based movements. Okay, so think about it. You've probably seen it before. It hooks onto the door and you do a bunch of different things on there. I suggest watching the videos to see how it's done, but it does come with directions on how that works and how to get it ready. Okay, next, I feel some more in here. I like the bag it comes in too, especially since we've got to travel a bit. Okay, this is where the core ball was, so we'll have to blow that up. Oh, these are the Pilates straps. And then we have strength slides and booties. These are for engaging the core and glutes. It says, and I'm not ready, but also very ready. Not sure about that, but I think many of you have tried the slides before if you've done other programs with us. The first one I can remember was a Chalene Johnson, how we got started a long time ago. I think that's when we first introduced it. So, all right, I think that's about it in this unboxing part. So if you guys want to check it out, under this video, I did put an affiliate link. Beachbody has done away with coaches and kind of the MLM type business model. They have gone into affiliate onlys. So if this already sounds like something you need to do or you want, go ahead and grab the full Belle Vitale kit using my link. You should have a percentage off. Let me know. I'll be sharing my full journey here each week is my plan. And like I said, I will be traveling a lot. So videos might be quick, might be little tidbits, might be something. I'm not sure how it's all going to work out yet as I will be traveling. But I'd love for you to join me. We can do this together. We have our Facebook group. We'll be working in there. And bonus tip, if you use my link, I've got some goodies I'm trying to make for you. I'll be sending your way. Just make sure you DM me or email me and let me know that you're in. All right, so I'll be sharing my weekly updates here, how I'm feeling, what I'm eating, the workouts, all of it. I really want to be accountable on here. And subscribe or follow if you want to come along for the ride. And I'll see you in week 1. Please don't forget to like and comment if you're curious about hormone health or this program. Use my link to join and come back weekly for check-ins. All right, everybody. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.